What's up, guys? Welcome back to Clown Eats. I've been doing this for almost 3 hours. It's like a pork shoulder blade steak or whatever they call it. I know it's a pork shoulder at least. Yeah, it's been going good. It's been staying hot. Almost 3 hours. And hang on. So here's what I'm gonna do, guys. Got this fucking wild idea that I was originally just gonna eat this steak and do a little can of beanie weenies that was in the cupboard, but I thought that was too damn boring, and I have enough stuff for I have everything for some enchiladas. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do the beanie weenies, put some onions in here, enchilada sauce, after I cut up that pork shoulder blade, and then mix it all up as I would for enchiladas, and then make like about 3 enchiladas. There we go. Here's what we're working with, guys. See that smoke ring in there a little bit? Dude, this is gonna be awesome, dude. Yeah. This was not planned. This is like I'm just winging it right now. But I did want whatever I'm gonna eat to involve this whole thing. Or at least until I'm full, you know? So let me get to it. There it is, guys. Man, cutting this shit with one hand is a bitch. Anyway, let's do it. Let's make it happen. Okay, let me get to it. There we go. So far, you guys. Pork, onion, beanie weenies, and enchilada sauce. Heating up. Getting ready to be friggin' spectacular. Chopped up some cheese. This motherfucker, I got some tortillas to go on there too. Here's how we're looking so far. Got this over here. Do this on the cutting board, and then put some cheese in there, and then transfer it to the baking pan. Yeah, stay tuned, okay? And there we go. I'm gonna do this a couple more times. I'm gonna throw it in the oven. Yeah, buddy, check it out, motherfucker. There it is, guys. You see it, motherfuckers. I did 4, actually, because I had room, and why the fuck not? And after that, I used all of it except that little bit. I'm gonna put that on top. There's the cheese I was using. Just pulled out some slices and cut them up, you know. Got a killer deal on this. This all took a little effort, and getting creative with the beanie weenies and smoked meat, you know. This is gonna be fucking awesome. I'll show you here when it's done. That's what I'm going, 375 for 19 minutes. In the, man, I always forget what these are called. Convection oven, I guess. Yeah, you'll see. There it is, guys. Final product with some fresh cilantro on top. Yeah, dude. This is so money, dude. I can't wait to try it. Hang on. Look at this. There's a fat bone in there, but there's still meat on there. Still got that left. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Dude, so you see the bottom of this plate looks so dirty. I noticed that in the video yesterday. It's been in storage for a while, and I used to like cook shit on this. It's been in storage for like a good 4 years or so, and it's just baked on whatever. The plate's been cleaned. all fucking good. This is my favorite plate because it's so fucking huge. And it's fucking legit. Legit fucking plate. So yeah, dude, this is gonna be money. This meat is so good. It's so working with enchiladas. Need a moment for that, man. It's just fire. So about at least 2.5 hours smoking time on the Weber. Closer to 3 probably. When I first started chronic heat, back in like say 2016 or so, I don't know when it was. I wasn't even thinking about YouTube back then. It was just on Facebook. And me and the guy I hung out with back then, we would grill meats all the time and then play whatever, you know. So I'm fucking loving this. I haven't done it this way in a while. It's fucking awesome to me. The front end, or the stew meat I did that dried out, it was still good, but live and learn. You don't smoke out stew meat, I guess. But this fucking fire, dude. Unbelievable. Yeah, guys, don't be afraid to get creative with your meals. Like there's beating weenies in here. I was thinking tacos, and then I didn't have the little tortillas, but I had big ones. So then I was thinking burritos. And the only canned beans I could think of was the beating weenies. So I threw those on, and then I'm like, fuck it, I got enchilada sauce, I got onions, like love to love enchiladas. You know, I freaking love enchiladas, I just haven't done them in a while. It got kind of played out in my mind or something, I don't know. But I'm back into them. Especially when I hook it up like this. I mean, they're so fire. See that shit? Yeah. I nailed it, guys. It took a little work, little creativity, but you can do this at home too, you know. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to ask me somehow. Leave a comment or send me an email. If you want to get a hold of me, whether it's a will, there's a way. You know? Man, I nailed it. So also, let this be a lesson. You don't need to make a big fucking plate of enchiladas, like 15 of them, you know. Just hook up 4. That's all you can handle. I can't even eat all 4 of those tonight, but, you know, for some leftovers in a couple days or whatever. It's fucking money. And that smoked fucking pork shoulder, man, unreal, dude. It wasn't dry at all. It was fucking perfect, dude. Alright. That's all the time I got for today. Please smash that like and subscribe button. Please share with the world all that cringe YouTube crap. And I will see you guys next time. Have a good one. Chronic Beats out. Peace.